Hey everybody, this is Sean Mirabile from the Fabric Cat team at Microsoft. Today I want to discuss how to format the body of an Office 365 Outlook activity within the data factor experience within Fabric. In my pipeline, I have a set variable activity. It's just going to be a representation of some pipeline process. You can see my activity, the value is just a representation of some activity output. My email activity is going to dynamically set the subject line to just say, hey, this data pipeline is just reporting a successful notification and providing the run ID. Within the body, I have some additional dynamic content that's providing the pipeline details, where I'm just concatenating this string with the variable fee output. When we run this pipeline using the dynamic expression builder, we can see that the body of our email is lacking some formatting. So it's not very clear how to format, and that's kind of what I want to cover with you today. So let's go ahead and edit our dynamic expression to add some formatting. So pipeline details, I might want to separate that line from my variable output, and I can do that by using what we call inline elements or HTML inline elements. For example, if I want to do a new line and have pipeline details on the first line and the output on the second line, I can add a string here with a BR to indicate a break. So now when I run this, let's go ahead and run this. So we can see that we get a new email showing pipeline details, a line break, and now our variable. However, we can do some more things to this, like emphasize and bold. So let's go ahead and do those as well. So I've gone ahead and uploaded the expression builder with various HTML inline elements, all separated with a line break represented as BR. Going from the top to the bottom, we have emphasis, italic, bold, and strong. So let's go ahead and run this, and we see how that modifies our text within our email. After we ran this pipeline, I received an email showing all the different formatting that we can do using HTML inline elements. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.